Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make some rolled up tortillas, and for that we all of course need tortillas, some olive oil, and adding into that 1 teaspoon of red pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and mixing it. This is a very easy recipe, so all that you need now is spreading this mixture of olive oil and peppers onto the tortillas. You will do it one by one, so as much as you want. Start with the first one and do it like as you see in the video. Then on the mixture of olive oil and peppers, you will spread some ketchup. Whenever done, add also some cheese. This can be either mozzarella or cheddar. We are now using cheddar. And of course some pepperonis. Whenever done, you can add a little bit. Whenever done, just go on and roll it up. Do it one by one with all of the tortillas that you have and put them all into the pan. And again, spread some olive oil and this mixture with peppers onto these tortillas, so that the top will also get some coloring. And then when done, put them into the pan onto high heat for some 10 minutes and take out, and then put some cheddar cheese again on the top of those tortillas. Put also several pieces of pepperonis on that if you wish, and then put back these into the oven for some 5 to 10 minutes again. Here it is, they are ready to be tasted.